Hello friends, and welcome back to the online lecture series of CNC machines and automation. We were discussing the unit number 2 and we have discussed the very major topics of the unit number 2. Now we are going to discuss the again very important and major topic of the unit number 2, which is used in the construction of CNC machines, which is ATC. In short, it's called automatic tool changer. That how the tool of a CNC gets changed automatically. So there are many things behind the automatic tool changer. So we are going to start today and come up with the next lecture to finish it up. Now today we are going to discuss three major topics, like the introduction to the automatic tool changer, then ATC magazine and the ATC cycle. We are going into the details of these topics. So what is automatic tool changer? Automatic tool changer, as I told you, is simply a mechanism through which you are taking the tool from the magazine and placing it to the spindle, and if the tool is already present on the spindle, taking that tool from the spindle and sending it back to the magazine. This is completely the automatic tool changer. But there are variety of things are available in the automatic tool changer. So first of all, why we are using this automatic tool changer? The first thing, it is quick changing of tool. We want that the operation should be happen in instant, because in case of your conventional machine it takes a lot of time to change the tool, but in CNC machine it is very less time is used or consumed to change a tool. Then the second one is tracking of tool. Yes, the tool is going where? Is it placing exactly on the same place? Whenever you are picking the tool, now then the machine has to make sure that it is replaced back to the same location. Correct? Then the safety of the tool. Yes, the industry using very costlier tool even for the safety of the tool from the swarf, or you can say the scrap, waste, or the coolant. So it is a responsibility of the automatic tool changer or magazine to save the tool from these kind of problem or situations. Then the automatic tool changer has divided into two parts. The first one is ATC magazine, in which you are storing your tools, then the ATC mechanism. For today's lecture, we are going to discuss about only the ATC magazines and its types. Correct? So we are starting with the ATC magazine. You might have played the video games that the magazine is what in which you are keeping your bullets, extra bullets. Similarly, the ATC, the magazine are used to keep the extra tools which are in the machine. Many machines can have 6, 8, 10, 12, 20, 50 tools even. Correct? These kind of ATC are to be used. Those are called the ATC magazine, because at one time maybe 3 to 4 tools are used, but remaining tools are placed inside the magazine. Clear? Then we are what is the requirement of the tool magazine? The first one is to hold enough tools. Very good. That it has to hold the enough tools so that whenever the operation comes, it should instantly change the magazine, change the tool, and start the work on. Then the second is compact in size. It should be very compact so that the time taken from tool, tracking the tool in the magazine and replacing it with the spindle tool, it should be very less. Simple in construction, right? No hard mechanism is used. It should be very simple, and if anyone wants to maintain it, he can maintain it easily. Interchanging of the tool should be very easy. That is the requirement whenever you are designing the tool magazine. These should be included. You have to see these factors in there. Then we are having the types of magazine. These are the 4 types of magazine that we are using nowadays in the CNC machine. Depending upon the size, depending upon the operations, their capacity to store the tools are different in different types. So firstly, I would start with the turret head type. Turret head type you might have seen in these images, those in which you have to install the 8 to 10 tools, maximum 8 to 10 tools, because the size of the spindle, the turret has been increased. It is similarly to the capstan lathe. If you have seen in the labs, the capstan lathe, correct, where you can have the 8 tools in there, but in the CNC you can have up to 12 tools in the magazine. At the same time, you are using only in this image, if you can see in this image, only one of the tool can be used for the processing, but other tools are stayed on the turret. That's why it is called turret head type. It is working as well as it is storing the tools in here. So that's why it's called semi-ATC. It is also called semi-ATC. Most of the drilling machines are used. In this case, you can see that drilling, boring, and tapping tools are used in here. Fine. So these kind of machine can store very less number of tools, and in this turret head type, the simple lathe machine or horizontal machining center machines can be used. But for the bigger machines, we do not use this because the tools are not safe in here. Their cutting speed is very less. That kind of machine can be used, this turret head type. Then the second is drum type. There's a drum in which you can install the number of tools. You can see in this image, you can see up to 24 tools can be installed into this drum. 24 tools can be installed. Correct. So it is having a less number of tools it can hold. It's stored in the periphery of the drum. You can see this is the periphery here. So the holes are maintained over here. You can place the tools in the hole, and when the motor rotates, these tools will rotate in their position. Clear? And whenever the changing mechanism is there, that changing mechanism took the tool from this specified location and replace it with the spindle. The tool search speed is faster because this your drum rotates at a very fast rate, and whatever tool you required or it is written in the program, that will come up as fast as possible. Here, then the mechanism would take out the tool, replace it with the spindle tool. Correct? That is a drum type. Then the next is chain type. The chain type is used nowadays very in most of the machine, because in the drum type even your tools are very near to the spindle, and maybe it gets affected by the coolant or it gets affected by the scrap. But in chain type, your tools are placed far away from the cutting area. That's why these are the safe. But although it is used for more number of tools, but tool search speed is comparatively low. Correct. So in this case, more tools are there, so the search speed is very will decrease. It is common sense. Like if there are number of tools are available, then which tool is to be used, the searching speed will definitely be decreased. Correct. So that is a chain type in which you can see the chain is maintained for the proper mechanism, that behind this holes the chain is there in which your tool is rotating, and whatever tool you required, then pick it up and use it on the spindle. You can see in this video also. Correct. So these are the types of the tool magazine. Next is your egg box type. This is very rare type of tool magazine which is used in the CNC machine, because in this the searching is comparatively very difficult. Secondly, the less number of tools are to be used. In this case, you can see the how the eggs are placed in the box. The similarly tools are placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a matrix form. So whenever it is made placed in a matrix form, it is very difficult to identify which row and which column is to taken out here. So it is used very less, but yes, it is a type of a magazine. Correct. So these are the 4 type of magazines which are used in the CNC machine. The next topic is ATC cycle. ATC cycle is that like selection of tool and transfer of tool. This is a complete cycle. Every time whenever you wanted to change a tool, so the first step it is happening is tool selection, that which tool you have to select. So this happened in the magazine, because in the program, let's say you said I want tool number 7. So the your tool magazine will rotate. Let's say it is drum type or chain type. Your tool magazine will rotate, and the 7th tool will come in the front. You will pick the 7th tool, that is called selection. Then this 7th tool is transferred through a mechanism to the spindle. Correct. So that is becoming your ATC cycle. It is having 2 steps: the tool selection, which is happening on the tool magazine. Correct. The tool change position, it's a fixed place. A place is fixed whatever tool you select, it comes to a specific location from where the tool mechanism will pick the tool and transfer it to the spindle. So that is called your tool transfer. For the transfer, the spindle must have to be stopped and tool change the position. Correct. So the spindle, if the spindle is already having the tool, then it will be removed first, then it will be installed. Correct. So this is the ATC cycle which is used for every time whenever you wanted to change the tool. So first is tool selection, and second is tool transfer. Correct. So this is all about today. If you wanted to watch my other videos, please subscribe the channel Tiny Steps, and for the further lectures, just carry on onto this channel. Thank you and take care.